Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Sony with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that, right here at the left headphone, we have a controls. You need to press and hold this power button in the middle until you will hear voice prompt that Bluetooth pairing, and this LED light start flashing blue. Here we go, and now we have it. So we should see it at the device list because we entered pairing mode, and right here we can see it. Click connect, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!